Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study for AP Euro. Begin by organizing a timeline and tagging events with themes to spot patterns quickly. Use active note methods like Cornell or flashcard, prompts that force retrieval. Schedule short daily reviews and one weekly timed practice using past DBQs and MCQs. Mix reading with practice essays to build analysis and time management skills for exam success. Focus on active strategies that build skill and confidence in AP Euro. Use spaced repetition systems for key dates and thinkers so facts stick. Practice DBQs under timed conditions and evaluate with a rubric to sharpen thesis and evidence use. Regularly compare primary sources to practice sourcing, context, and argumentation. Alternate practice essays with multiple choice drills to strengthen both factual recall and historical reasoning for the exam. If you're finding this guide helpful, please subscribe and like to support more study tips. Quick recommendation: the Oala water bottle is great for staying hydrated during long study marathons, and it fits in most backpacks, making breaks easier and less cluttered. I like to sip while outlining DBQs to stay focused and alert. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Create a realistic study plan that balances review and practice for AP Euro. Simulate full exams under timed conditions to build stamina and pacing. After each practice, analyze errors and create targeted mini-sessions for weak areas like economic causes or art movements. Prioritize high-yield topics while practicing synthesis across regions and periods. Keep sessions varied and short to maintain focus and steady improvement as the exam approaches.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.